Managing a global mobile workforce. In the war for talent, allowing employees to work remotely from abroad may be an important way of attracting and retaining talent. And the pandemic has shown that many jobs can be performed from anywhere. But if someone asks to follow their partner abroad and work remotely for, let's say, a year, are there legal consequences that you need to consider? Yes, the main ones are these: immigration, social security, tax, employment law, work accident insurance, benefits, data security and other practicalities, paperwork. So first, immigration. First, you will need to find out whether the employee has the right to work in the new country. The employee will need social security, and so you need to know if this should continue in the home country or should be set up in the host country. This may depend on whether there is a social security treaty between the two countries or other regulation, and whether the secondment rules apply. Tax. The chances are that the employee will be taxed abroad, so you should check if there are any withholdings obligations. We also need to think about whether your business will be deemed to have a permanent establishment in the host country. If it does, you might be required to file corporate tax declarations and pay corporate tax there. Employment law. Which local employment laws apply? Different countries have different approaches to this. In some, local minimum employment laws apply from day one, but in others, they only apply if the employee is considered to have a sufficient connection with the country. Some rules, such as health and safety and discrimination rules, tend to apply from day one. Work accident insurance. What happens in case of an accident in the host country? Is the employee covered for work abroad, or do you need to pay for additional coverage? Check your work accident insurance company. Benefits. What about the benefits you normally provide to your employee? Will they continue while they are abroad? Data security and other practicalities. You should have a think about how to handle data security while the employee is abroad, so as to ensure personal and company information are protected. And how will you manage practical issues such as time zone differences and employee performance? Paperwork. You will probably need to fill out some paperwork to ensure your employee is covered for Social Security, and there may also be other mandatory notifications in some places. You might also need to add an annex to the employment contract to cover remote working abroad. Global mobile workforce are the future. Make sure you're ready.